Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Warzone like a pro. To start, always choose your landing zone wisely, aiming for areas with fewer enemies to secure early loot. Focus on finding a reliable weapon and at least 2 or 3 armor plates right away. Pay close attention to the gas circle's timer and trajectory, planning your next move well in advance. Effective communication with your squad is crucial for coordinated pushes and defensive plays. Next, let's talk about your gear and movement. Craft custom loadouts that offer versatility, perhaps one for close quarters and another for long-range engagements. Practice advanced movement techniques like slide canceling to become a harder target and traverse the map more quickly. Always ensure you have a self-revive kit and a gas mask. These items can be game changers in the final circles. Dedicate time to learning your weapon's recoil for consistent shots. Now, let's focus on map awareness and smart positioning. Spend time learning the map's hot zones, common routes, and best vantage points. Always move with purpose, utilizing available cover to minimize exposure to enemy fire. Pay close attention to audio cues like footsteps and distant gunfire to predict enemy locations. Securing the high ground often provides a significant tactical advantage, offering better sight lines and cover. Finally, continuous practice is key to becoming a pro. Regularly visit the firing range to refine your aim and tracking skills. Observe top players to understand their advanced tactics and strategic thinking. Critically review your own gameplay footage to pinpoint errors and learn from them. Most importantly, maintain composure during intense firefights, making swift and confident decisions to outmaneuver your opponents.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.